How to earn money from home. How to earn money while working from home. How to earn money while sitting at home. How to make money using internet. Now these are few of the search terms that have been searched a lot during this whole pandemic. And we heard you. See, the problem is during this pandemic, a lot of people have faced a lot of financial crises, have lost their jobs and have a lot of financial burden and are looking for a way to earn part-time or looking for a side hustle. And we at Vadootv realized that we need to give back. And that is why we've launched our affiliate program. Now, this affiliate program allows you to earn 20% commissions with your sales. And there is no hoops to jump here. There are not many things that you have to create a landing page, you have to do this for advertising, you have to use Google for advertising, you have to use Facebook for advertising, nothing. See, the point is when your product is good, when your idea is good, when what you do is what people want, you don't need to do all of this to get through. It just works. And that is why Vadootv just works. You know what? I will tell you, go check the links down in the description, check out our Facebook page, check out what the customers are saying, and you will realize that you don't need to pay anything to advertise this product for a very, very simple reason. This product, which is our platform, is absolutely amazing. It has one of the fastest speeds, it has one of the lowest rate, and it listens to customers. That's right. Our company listens to customers. We at Vadootv ensure that the customers are heard. And that is something that is a USP that no other company can have, because we have proven ourselves there. So yes, you don't need to jump through hoops to get people to agree to join. For a very simple reason, this platform is something that is loved by thousands of people. And that's not it. It's not just loved by thousands of people from one country. It is loved by thousands of people from 120 countries. That's right. That's how famous this platform is. And all you need to do is showcase the same love to other people, right? So I would suggest you first go down, sign up, check the platform out for yourself, and then sign up for the affiliate program using the links given down below in the description. Another incentive is the fact that we offer you 20%, right? I mentioned that earlier. 20% is actually much better than what the current industry standard is, right? And I tell in every video, we want to do something that is different. We want to do something that is above and beyond. And that is why this affiliate commission is above and beyond what others do. So don't wait and don't search on YouTube how to earn money from home, how to earn money sitting at home, how to go online on the internet and earn money. Just sign up and actually earn some money, right? So I'll see you there, because trust me, even I am going to sign up because it's so cool, right? Well, no, I am not allowed to do that, but yeah, but yes, you are allowed to do that. So why don't you sign up? And that's not it. As an existing customer of Vadootv, as a past customer of Vadootv, and as a future customer of Vadootv, all of you are allowed to sign up. So what are you waiting for? Don't you like that extra money? If you do, click on the link given down below in the description and sign up right now. And also subscribe to the channel, because you're going to get a few more nifty little tricks on how to earn more money using Vadootv, right? I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.